Starting our countdown at number 5, meet the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. This creature is not a fish, but an amphibian. What sets the axolotl apart is its astounding regenerative abilities. It can regrow entire limbs, spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. This fascinating creature spends its entire life underwater, a rare trait known as neoteny. Moving on to number 4, we have the pangolin. This solitary creature is the only mammal in the world that's completely covered in scales. When threatened, the pangolin rolls into a near-perfect ball, presenting its sharp-edged scales to predators. But the most peculiar fact about the pangolin is that it has no teeth. Instead, it has a long, sticky tongue that's often longer than its body, used to catch its favorite meal, ants and termites. Counting down to number 3, we introduce the narwhal. This marine creature has often been compared to the mythical unicorn, thanks to the large spiral tusk protruding from its head. This tusk, which is actually an elongated tooth, can grow up to 10 feet long. Narwhals navigate the freezing Arctic waters with an uncanny sense of direction, making them one of the ocean's most intriguing inhabitants. At number 2, we find the eye. Found in Madagascar, this primate has a skeletal middle finger that it uses to tap on trees to find grubs. When it hears a hollow sound, it gnaws a hole in the wood and uses its elongated finger to pull out the grubs. This method of finding food, called percussive foraging, is unique to the eye. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot is the tardigrade. Measuring less than 1 millimeter, tardigrades, also known as water bears, are nearly indestructible. They can survive in extreme temperatures, withstand the vacuum of space, and endure radiation that would be lethal to most life forms. Their resilience is truly otherworldly. From the regenerative axolotl to the armored pangolin, the tusked narwhal, the bizarre eye, and the invincible tardigrade, these animals challenge our understanding of survival and adaptation. They remind us that the world is full of weird and wonderful creatures, each with a unique story to tell. So the next time you think you've seen it all, remember, nature has a few surprises up her sleeve.